Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to set the program jumpers in a 2009.5 to 2012.5 Hot Spring, Limelight, and Tiger River spa with the Orca control box. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: needle nose pliers. Parts you will need: 78039 IQ 2020 Orca motherboard and the 36021 program jumper. Step 1. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 2. Locate the P9 port on the motherboard. Step 3. Place a program jumper on the left two pins of the P9 port to enter the service mode. Step 4. Reconnect power to the spa. Step 5. Press Next on the Lights Soft button until configuration is highlighted. Step 6. Press Select on the Options soft button. Press Next on the Lights Soft button to program the jumpers. Step 7. Set the program jumpers according to your spa model. Step 8. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 9. Remove the program jumper from the left two pins and hang it on the far left pin. Good job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.